Hey, time to calibrate. Be a little bit on an angle. I love it when you start the camera up, you hit the format, and you're ready for a beautiful day. See how nice it is? Sun's popping through the fog and the mist and the dew. And yet, each time I start the Pocket 3 up from off, I have to wait for that mic to actually connect. Sometimes it could be like a second, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. The Pocket 3 is pretty good in connecting. So here is that wonderful shot of the sunrise. And you can see the fog going to go away. DJI, what I just found annoying is record cancel. Cancel it while the DJI mic prompt is on. It blocks the record cancel. So you don't know if you're actually, canceling the record. I don't love stretching my arms out like I used to anymore. So you can get a shot like this and try to be less bokeh. There are times you want to have bokeh on and times you want to have it off. And that's something that you may want to decide if you love shooting with the Pocket 3, to always have a blurred background when doing vlogging. You could ask DJI that, to take away the bokeh, to bring up the aperture and have it on a switch. But will that ever happen so you can get those crisp, clear backgrounds? Oh man, could have seen that bird just dive right in front of me for that shrimp. Camera's not going to be fast enough for me to switch it around. So the only way to get a crisp, clear shot is for you to be out of the picture and face it forward. But like here, what are you going to see when it's foggy? So I'm standing with my camera on the diagonal so I could get my 9 o'clock shot when I'm looking 12 o'clock. So I have to adjust my gimbal so I don't get that gimbal reaches waypoints, its endpoints. I'll tell you one thing that I know. Not a good day to be shooting with the Pocket 3. Too much moisture in the air on this IP-rated camera. Is it IPX4 or is it IPX2? There has to be a rating. And basically, I don't see it, don't care about it, don't know about it. But does DJI put it on their site? Because all we hear, oh, don't get the camera wet. But they never talk about the IPX rating. If I find it, I'll post down below what it is. Better yet, go ahead and do the homework. That's your job assignment for today. Go find the IPX rating at DJI's site on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But I'm going to tell you one more thing. When I do the record cancel, it's got the same stop recording sound when you delete it. And that is not a good thing. Wouldn't stop recording audio be what you want to have on stop recording? And not the same stop recording on record cancel, or it should really be record delete. While us Pocket 3 owners have the camera, these are the things that we see, that I see, that may need improvement or not. I don't see the Pocket 4 going to have any added features of what we want improved. Well, we wanted the Pocket 3 to be improved, asked, requested. I'll give you a nice example. The Sony ZV-1 Mark III. Oh man, I can't wait for that camera to come out. Because, will I get it because they didn't fix the certain things I wanted in the Mark II? that I didn't get the Mark I, that many people didn't like the Mark II, or the ZV-1F, that is. Well, I did say a lot, share a lot, sit a lot, talked a lot, what a lot. I am Fish. I'm gonna go get a nice cup of joe, go start my day, and got a lot of things to take care of. I'm gonna sit down, try to make an edit out of this video and make some sense that I can see fit for the needs. Have a great day, and I catch you on many videos to come.